Hundreds of people are feared dead and thousands more are stranded due to floods caused by monsoon rains in northwest Pakistan. According to Pakistan's Meteorological Department, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province received between 250 mm and 300 mm of rain in a period of 36 hours.
This flood is unprecedented. We have lost more than 100 lives. The weathermen have predicted more heavy rains in coming few days, and we fear more loss of lives and property of the people. This flood is unprecedented. We have lost more than 100 lives. The weathermen have predicted more heavy rains in the coming few days, and we fear more losses of lives and properties of the people.
Rivers burst their banks and streets were washed away in the province. Most of the dead across the northwest were killed after houses collapsed on them or drowned in overflowing streams. The floods have also washed away thousands of acres of crops and dozens of government buildings, local businesses and schools. They have also cut off some of the hard-hit areas, blocking residents from moving to safety. According to official figures, some 400,000 people have been affected by the heavy rainfall in various parts of the province, while there are reports of more flooding in the coming 2 days. To save lives and properties of the people, the provincial government of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa called Pak Army to take part in rescue activities, but as the affected areas were too many to be dealt with at one time, people in some areas complained that they were suffering much because of unavailability of relief or rescue work on the part of the government.
The flood has hit our entire village. Not a single house is safe. Our houses and fields are inundated. It has created havoc to our lives and property. While our financial losses are terrible, we are not getting any help from the government.
Our women and children are trapped in the houses, and we are left with nothing. Even potable water is not available. Our children have developed water-related diseases. We are still waiting for medical help. The government is just making false promises.
The government of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa has appealed to the international community to help those affected by the floods. The United Nations said it had reports that 5,000 homes were underwater in that area. Zahid Hussain, Press TV, Peshawar.